Hello again, everyone, and welcome to Pontificating with Professor Dave, where I interweave life lessons and prized English Pokemon cards into a masterful and timeless piece of video art. First, just a couple of quick updates. Number one, I finally was able to get a haircut this week. Take a look. And I also learned to lie on video this week. Speaking of lying, I just found out that Nintendo will be making a healthier line of Pokemon cards out of cauliflower-based cardboard. And now, an update on the kids. My son Sam, 23 years old, his girlfriend, she got me a belated birthday gift. So it was beyond kind of her. What I need to do is I really need to stop calling her insecure and just be a bit more thankful, right? I told her so many times I loved her pajama bottoms, and she took the time and effort to go online and order me the same pair as she wears. My two favorite colors are black and pink, which shows you anything about my bipolar nature, with no offense indicated or intended for anyone who is actually afflicted with this disease, although there's a good chance I am as well. So I want to show you real quick. I love these women's size 2XL beauties. Okay, you got to admit, right? Really nice. So she gives me the pants. I tell her I love them to death. She probably asks me 10 more times, are you sure you really like them? Are you really sure you like them? And here we go again. And speaking of pajamas, I'd like to introduce you now, you haven't met her yet, to my 18-year-old daughter, Allie. Okay? Allie, get in here. Get in here quickly. Move it. Hurry up. Okay. Which way do I turn? This way? This way? I can never figure that out. Okay. So I don't have any music. I'm not going to play any music for Allie because I will probably get slapped on the wrist by somebody whose licensing agreement requirements I don't have. But in the meantime, we'll have Allie dance. Okay, ready, Allie? Let's do it. Okay. Allie's a boarding school graduate who enjoys looking at herself on her phone and promises that her working career won't end with college. She loves to dance, romance, and garden with plants. And if you and Allie hit it off, she promises to love your Pokemon cards as much as she loves you. Okay, get out. Great job. Nice to see you. From the start of my channel, I've made some amazing new friends who are helping me, teaching me, and pushing me to succeed, to move in the right direction with respect to YouTube's search engine optimization criteria. We talked about that in a previous video, SEO. My end goal is to have as many collectors as possible find me and benefit from my videos. So I have two quick points today regarding that goal. Number one, I need to make my videos shorter and at the same time more frequent. For those upset with this change, from my heart, I'm telling you I'm sorry. Bear with me. Let's see how it all goes. We're in this together. You have to walk before you can run. We're going to figure all that stuff out. Just know that as I transition to this new format, I promise I will not conform to what other people are doing. I understand and respect so much your valuable feedback where you tell me how you really appreciate my format and content, and I want to continue to be true to that. Second, I'm going to start a Discord community. You'll find the link in my video description. Please join me, inform me, guide me, and please be one of the first influencers in the Discord community to make it where I understand and we all understand how this entire community can be better and empower all of us. Hopefully, this will be a fun experience where we can all learn a lot more about each other, both me about you guys and you guys about me as well. Now I'd like to introduce a new segment called My Favorite of Your Comments. Today I'm shouting out Tablet Noob, who wrote, "Thank you, David. May your wildest dreams come true. Except that one. You know the one." And I thought that was such a funny and relevant comment because I actually did know the one. I'd also like to introduce another segment called The Most Awesome Card I Got This Week. These cards may range in price, but what I'll tell you is when my heart will always skip a beat the minute I get this card inside of my hand. So this week's Awesome Card Award goes to the 2013 Leafeon Crosshatch Hollow European Regional Champion Staff Card. Okay, and I'm going to hold it up here and show you. It's number 11 of 116. Hopefully you can see it. The orange is indicative, the orange stamp is indicative of a regional championships from that year. You can see the crosshatch hollow pattern in the bottom. I did buy this as a PSA graded card because I haven't been able to find one for a long, long time. And you can see actually the case is cracked at the bottom, but that's okay because you know I don't really do PSA grading anyways. But really excited. What this card did for me was this card allowed me to completely finish my full Plasma Freeze Master set of 241 total cards. And now, I'd like you to focus on one more segment I have for you this week called Speaka with Pika. Let's take a look. Hey Peaks, you're a good friend, buddy. Well, that is so sweet of you to say. You know, I just feel like we're in this together. Two buddies fighting the fight, just like our Poke battles, and we're destined to win. Well, no, I know it's not going to be easy, but we have all these people out there supporting us. They're wanting us to be successful. What kind of giveaway? Is that even allowed? You're funny, okay? You want to spend, yeah, it's easy for you. Come up with the idea and spend my money to do a giveaway. You know, I guess, yes, I'm up for anything. Let's do it. Who do you want to tell them? Do you want to tell them or do you want me to? Yeah, it figures. It figures, yeah, I'll tell them. Well, folks, Pika and I would like to have every one of you take just a couple of minutes and join our new Discord community. Anyone logging in or registering and posting a screenshot showing that you're a subscriber to my channel will automatically be entered in a randomized drawing to select 3 different winners. Third place will be a booster pack. Second place, this World's Staff brand new hat from 2015. And first place, this 2015 World's Lab Coat, brand new as well. I'm going to wait a couple of days to do the drawing just so that other people can hopefully catch up, and hopefully I'll be able to announce the winners if you guys allow me to do that in a subsequent video as well. I do want you to understand I'm hoping to do this on a more frequent basis because I am trying to get more subscribers, and of course, why not do things like this if it interests folks? I do want to make sure you guys understand the legal language. Regarding the drawings, immediate family members and their friends are not eligible, and I will need to report the award values to the appropriate taxing authority. Doesn't that sound so legitimate? Yeah, I thought you might think so. Okay, by the way, if you have any questions about Discord, please let me know in the comments. This is all very much new to me, but I'm glad to help us as we get through this together and try to figure out the best way to navigate it for each of our benefits. You know what? How about we play a game right now, have a little fun called Dominoes with Decks. Here we go. And now, Dominoes with Decks. Take a look. I'll try to walk this on the stairs without breaking my neck. Here we go. Theme decks, some world decks, some other decks, a lot of decks. And of course, the gang. Are we ready? Let's give it a try. Hang on. I'm jumping up to my perch. Hold on. I'm putting the camera over. I'm climbing without trying to break the stair railing. I've achieved my perch. And now, Dominoes with Decks. Yes! So I know I'm going to get a couple of questions on that video, and I just want to make it clear that no actual Pokemon decks were harmed in the filming of that video. I also want to let you know, some people will be interested, that I actually own all of the theme and world decks ever produced except for one. I don't have that one because years ago I only thought there were 2 theme decks for a certain set produced when there was actually 3. So I am still on the search for that one deck. So right now some of you are going to hate me, and like I said before, I'm apologizing in advance. You know I don't like to disappoint, but this video is about to end. I know we didn't do as much with card content today, but hopefully we had a little fun along the way. And maybe I set the stage for what's coming up in the next video, which I plan to produce and show to you in just a couple of days, not any longer than that. So plan to see you again then, when we're going to get ready to rumble, along with whatever my crazy mind comes up with in the meantime. Until then, please stay safe. And if you have to or choose to wear a mask, make sure it's a black or pink one. Take care.